Welcome to the complete Android and Windows integration guide. This video will show you how to achieve seamless continuity between your Android phone and Windows computer. Wireless bridges now replace fragmented workspaces. In the past, integration required cables and third-party apps. Today, Microsoft and Google collaborate, sharing wireless protocols for seamless connection. A unified workspace is created through 4 key pillars: communication, file management, shared clipboards, and browser continuity. Microsoft Phone Link establishes the core bridge for integration. Your phone acts as a digital mirror, and Windows pairs the devices using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Your PC can now control your phone. You can text and copy 2FA codes using your PC keyboard, route calls through PC speakers, and cast Android apps to your desktop monitor. File synchronization requires a 2-pronged approach. Cloud Sync is for long-term storage and automatic backup, while Direct Transfer is for immediate needs that require local speed. OneDrive provides automatic photo backup. Simply install OneDrive on Android, enable camera upload, and photos will instantly appear in Windows File Explorer. Quick Share acts as an AirDrop equivalent using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct. You right-click a file on Windows and select Send with Quick Share to move large files without cloud bandwidth. The shared clipboard ensures text continuity. Copy text on Android via Microsoft Swift key, and Microsoft encrypts and syncs the clipboard history so you can paste it on Windows. Browsers let you pick up where you left off. With Microsoft Edge, you tap Send to Device on mobile. With Google Chrome, you press Ctrl+H on your PC. You can open mobile tabs directly on your desktop. Unified schedules prevent missed appointments. Microsoft To Do syncs mobile tasks to the Windows taskbar, and Google Calendar triggers Windows desktop notifications. This maximum integration checklist verifies your setup across various functionalities, including calls, file transfer, photos, copy/paste, and web passwords. A unified workspace eliminates digital friction. You stop emailing files to yourself, focus on your tasks, and forget about the underlying hardware.